Hey guys, I'm Rita. In this episode, I will show you how you can add a supplier invoice on accounting. To add a supplier invoice, either we can go through quick links. From here, click on Bill, or we can go through Purchase section and click on Bill section there. From here, click on New Bill, and we are presented with a new supplier invoice template. Here, start by clicking on Add a Vendor. So in case I have Green Limited, bill date, select when this supplier invoice is issued on. Number, you can keep a system automatically generated invoice number, or you can add a supplier invoice number here. Okay, due date, I have 17, and you can add any other numbers if they've been referenced on the supplier invoice. Add an item. I had, let's say, candy bars, and I have purchased 1,000 of these. Add multiple lines if there are multiple lines, so you can split supplier invoice. Okay. Add notes. Under advance, we can choose where we want to keep these costs. So for example, this cost relates to, in my case, I will keep under materials, and I can add an attachment. So I have Green Limited invoice here, click open, file is attached, and click save. Okay. If you have received stock and as well as invoice, you can mark this invoice as received. Okay, and you will be able to pay this invoice later. So this is a way how you can record supplier invoice on accounting. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in description section below to my complete accounting tutorial as well as a review of this accounting software. If you haven't seen it yet, check it out.